Today, I am going to show you how to indent and adjust the page margins with the ruler bar. First, we have to show the ruler bar. To do this, we will click View at the top of the windows and then check the box called Ruler. Okay, so first click View. You can see that the menu has changed. Now, check the box called Ruler. If you have successfully followed the steps, you will see the ruler bar is shown on my screen. To adjust the margins of the page, you must change the size of the dark gray areas in the ruler bar. To do this, bring your cursor to the edge of the gray area at the location where the cursor changes into a line instead of an arrow. Click and drag to adjust the margin to the size you desire. Now I will show you how to indent paragraphs using the ruler bar. The ruler bar at the top contains an arrow on the right and a box with two arrows on the left. These control the indentations of individual paragraphs. To indent the first line of a paragraph, click inside it and then adjust the top arrow on the left side of the ruler bar. You should see the first line indent on your screen like it did on mine. If you wish to indent the rest of the lines a bit as well, then drag the bottom arrow at the left of the ruler bar. If you have set the indentation of all the lines in the paragraph and wish to move it as a whole, then click and drag the square at the left of the ruler. Lastly, if you wish to indent the right side of the paragraph, then click and drag the arrow at the right of the ruler. That concludes my tutorial on how to indent and adjust the page margins with the ruler bar.